I'm 22 years old. I'm from the UK. I like to do boxing.
Hello, I'm Roshan. I'm 22 and I'm from London, UK.
After surgery, I have vocal cord paralysis. YouTube video of Dr. Sanjay.
You try it. If it's coming or not doesn't matter. You try.
3 weeks back, I woke up and I could not speak.
ये स्टमरिंग की प्रॉब्लम है और ये प्रॉब्लम मुझे 7 ईयर से सर मैं यहाँ पे इस और ट्रीटमेंट के बाद आई फील समथिंग कंफर्ट देन बिफोर. My name is Manas Lakshmi. I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I found your videos on YouTube when I was looking for cure for puberphonia.
I'm Manas from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and I came here 8 days ago for speech therapy, and obviously I am really happy with my treatment.
मैं 8-9 साल से सर गले की आवाज़ पुबरफोनिया है मुझे.
मैं यूपी से हूँ सर. मुझे 9 साल से पुबरफोनिया था.
Okay, my name is Kevin. I'm from London, UK. I'm suffering from puberphonia, so I decided to come to Bangalore and meet Dr. Sanjay Kumar together.
I actually had this surgery a month back, and I'm really happy about it.
Thank you for coming here and showing faith. Just you try to say something, counting in 1 to 10. You can try 1, 2, 3, something. Look there. Up to 10 you can try.
It's been 3 months. The last 2 months, I had like hoarse sound, and then 1 month it completely changed. No any sound.
I contacted Mr. Sanjay Kumar, Speech Language Pathologist in India, and he agreed to work with Cyrus, and the treatment has been very effective, and we're very happy with the results. His voice is now much stronger, deeper, louder, and there's a big improvement.